Hello everyone, and welcome back to Quick English Talk, where learning English is simple and enjoyable.
Hi everyone, I'm Mark.
And I'm Sarah. Hi Mark, how are you today?
I'm doing really well, Sarah. It's a bright day, and I just had my tea. I feel great. How about you?
I'm feeling wonderful too, and I'm very excited about today's topic.
Me too. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video.
Yes, click the like button. And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Quick English Talk and share this video with your friends.
It really helps us grow. Thank you.
All right, are you ready?
Yes. What are we learning today?
Topic introduction. Today, we are talking about a common problem for English. Learners how to stop translating in your head.
Oh yes, I remember that problem. You hear English, and then you think, what does this mean in my language?
Exactly. First, you understand in your language. Then you try to reply in English.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It is, and it makes speaking very slow.
Yes, by the time you finish thinking, the conversation has already moved on.
Right, you feel behind in the conversation.
And sometimes, translation is not correct.
That's true. Some words don't match exactly between languages.
So, the goal is to think directly in English.
Yes, no translation, just English from your brain to your mouth.
Tip 1. Start small. Great. So what's the first tip?
Start very small with single words.
Like what?
Look around you. What do you see?
I see a table, a phone, and a notebook.
Perfect. When you see these things, think only in English.
So I see my phone and think phone, not in my language?
Exactly. Just connect the object to the English word.
That's simple and easy.
Do this for 5 minutes every day.
Tip 2. Use pictures. What's the next tip?
Use pictures or flashcards.
How does that help?
Take a card. On one side, draw or place a picture. On the other side, write the English word.
For example,
A picture of an apple and the word apple.
so I see the picture and think apple directly.
Yes, no translation needed.
That's fun and easy to remember.
Tip 3. Use simple sentences. Now let's talk about sentences.
Okay, but sentences are harder.
That's why we start with very simple ones.
Like,
When you feel happy, think, I am happy.
oh, I like that.
If you feel tired, think, I am tired.
Or when I eat, I can think, I eat food.
Exactly. Describe your actions in English.
Like a small story in my mind.
Yes, a daily English story.
Tip 4. Watch and listen. What's the fourth tip?
Watch and listen to simple English content.
Like this channel.
Yes, of course, and also cartoons and kids' videos.
Why cartoons?
Because they are visual and easy to understand.
So I see actions and hear simple English?
Exactly. Your brain learns naturally.
That sounds fun.
It is, learning should be enjoyable.
Tip 5. Be patient. And the final tip.
Be patient.
That's very important.
Yes, learning English takes time.
Like learning to walk, you start slow.
Exactly. Don't worry about mistakes.
So mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
I like that. Mistakes are teachers.
Quick review. Let's review quickly.
Sure.
Tip 1. Think in single English words.
Tip 2. Use pictures.
Tip 3. Make simple sentences.
Tip 4. Watch and listen to easy English.
Tip 5. Be patient and keep practicing.
Closing. These tips are very helpful.
Yes, practice a little every day.
And soon, thinking in English will feel natural.
Thank you for watching Quick English Talk.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.
And here's a fun question for you.
Look around and tell us one thing you see in English.
Write it in the comments.
We can't wait to read your answers.
Keep practicing and stay confident.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.